Welcome everyone to Balance by Megan. I'm Megan. Today is a very quick, you can do it under 10 minutes flow, and it's an office break yoga flow. So you don't need a mat for this. If you work at home and you want to roll it out, go ahead and do so. But this is a flow that you can do in the office. I used to do it in the copier room. So grab your mat or don't grab your mat and let's create balance in your life. So we'll begin this standing. So just find a spot where you can move a little bit. You can shake it out if you'd like. Find the kitchen, find a quiet spot. And then we'll inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, side body tilt to the right. Inhale through to center. Exhale to the left. Inhale to center. Exhale, hinge at the hips. Forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, roll up. Come to a mountain pose. I'll do this from the side. Shake your hair out. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, long spine. Exhale, fold. Inhale, roll up. Come to your mountain pose. Again, inhale, reach up. Exhale to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left. Inhale, center, reach. Exhale, fold forward. Straight legs, head comes down. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, roll it up. Come to your mountain pose. Now here you can grab onto something if it's handy. But we'll step into the right leg, make it nice and heavy, and then grab the left leg behind you. And you'll just hold here, and this can be done in shoes, I've done it. Squeeze in through the center line. And here we're stretching out the hip flexors as they've been shortening as we're sitting in our desk. Exhale, release. Find your steadiness and then step into the left leg. Grab the right leg behind you and take a nice quad stretch here. And we'll release that. Shake it out. And then you're going to take about 3.5 feet of space between your feet. So long edges line up. Inhale, bring the hands behind you. So you're going to draw the knuckles down and away. Lift the heart up. Inhale. As you exhale, begin to tilt forward. Halfway. Inhale here. And exhale, release your head to the floor. Arms come over and we hold. Inhale, come up halfway, bending the knees. And we'll roll up all the way to a straight spine. Grab our hair out of the way. Then bring the heels in. Send the arms out long. Right arm comes underneath left. We come into our eagle arms, or you can simply come into a self-love hug here. Inhale here. Exhale, sink down. Inhale. Exhale, you might gently sway side to side. And then inhale, reach back up. Bring the feet back in, long edge lined up. We grab the hands behind us, opposite thumb on top, so it might feel a little awkward. And we draw the knuckles down and away. Open up through the body. Inhale. Exhale, bend the knees, come forward, hold halfway. Inhale. And exhale, release over. Now squeeze an imaginary bolster between your feet, about 5 to 10% of your effort. And then inhale, bending the knees, come up halfway. And all the way back up, release. And then heels come in, toes splay out. Send the arms in front of you. Left arm underneath. We come into our eagle arms or a self-love hug. And we sink down. So adjust your feet as needed. If you're in eagle arms, draw the elbows up and away from the body. Inhale, release, come on up. Heel toe yourself in and just take a moment here to allow everything to work through your body. Take a couple more minutes before you get back into work. And that's it. Do this as many times as feels good for you. I do recommend getting up every 20 to 30 minutes, moving around, taking the stairs. That's what I used to do, or do this little practice. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Share it with a friend and a colleague. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel today. I'll see you next Wednesday.